Ori I te manu o te atato ia mai ia ta manu I te rā ki te ao tukupu hei hura I te kahu o te pō. Nau mai e te rā matika mai te rua I here ai koe ki te karaki a tapunui a māui tiki tiki a taranga. E tā whiri e puritia te kōmata o te raki te piere o te raki. Tēnā tā mirotia ki te ranga o atua ki te ao tukupu. Hei arai o motoha, miri I te kiri, miri te whenua. Whakangaro tāwera te wetu o te ata. O marere o tonga ki muri tū matapongi a koko, uri tū matapongi a koko, te anga kai kauhau I te kupu o te tupua. Whakangaro, rehua te ariki o te pō, re rehu puanga, re rehu matariki, ngā tohu tapu o te tau, re rehu te niki ka nui o te raki peke te atāne, re rehu te pūrā toki whiti ki te whenua. Ngaro atu ko te pō nau mai ko te ka watea. Ka watea ki te whaiau ki te ao mārama. Ua kina mai ngā tatau o te pōtui a te hono whiri a te hono. Te hono ki a wai, te hono ki a rua rua I te pūkenga rua I te wana rua I te atamai. Rua matua take o tāna. Tēnei au he pūkenga he wānanga e are nei te taringa ki te whakarongo. O ngā taringa rongo mai taha nui o rongo mai taha rangi o tūpai whakarongo wānanga. O te hono tēnei ki a mau whiwhi a maura wea. Tāwaki nui a he matākina mai rā te kupu atu ai, nuku atu ai, rangi ki runga ki au ki tēnei mga o te akamatu ai tūnei. Nau ko wāhia roa ko rātā ko tū whakararo ko whakatau pōtiki, ko rongo mai ko au ko ngā tipa atua oi. E kauri tū wau he matakahi ki te aro o reo ki a rere, o reo ki a tika, o reo ki a Māori. Ko te kaha ke au he kātua tinitini, he kātua mano. Mānawa mai ea te putanga o te ariki, mānawa mai ea te putanga o te taura o te tauira. Ka eke rongo rupe, ka eke rangi tā hua. Tēnei te matakahi, tēnei a maunga nui ki tā maki, tēnei ngā tihi, tēnei ngā tapu. Tēnei a whakatau pōtiki te tōtā maua norongo I o oiki. Te topa nei, te tū nei kei ngā taumata. Taumata o te reo, taumata o te ora, taumata o te mātau. Tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, tēnei te Māori ka whakakake. Ko tangaroa ki tai, ko tāne ki uta. Tūturu e rangi e tui hone, tūturu e papa e takatone, ka whakamaua ki a tīna.
Tīna!
Uie!
Tai ki e!
Tēnā tātou.
Kia ora ki.
Well, we've just come to the start of this phase of the Mussel Restoration Project, so just doing appropriate acknowledgements to our whānau that are not here, the likes of Ōkahu and Ōkahu Hiki, Homai, kia te dona, Ati Moana, our tuahine Rochelle, all the mahi that she's done, not only them but all of our whānau and our partners that have contributed to our kaupapa over the many years. So again, this is the recent instalment, as was said in the mihi by Uncle Al. This kaupapa started a few years ago, but in this one we've taken kind of the learnings from that project, partnered with our partners, Nature's Conservancy, to get this portion of the project underway. So out there we've got some buoys marked out, and each buoy is a platform of seashell. So we found that in our bay, because of all the construction that's happened over the years, the flush from the bay doesn't happen anymore. So you've got years and years of sediment from the road and from the land just sitting on the bottom of our seafloor. So the shellfish are still there, all of our pipi and stuff are still there, but because they can't breathe, they can't mature to a mature state, they don't get past their juvenile state, so they end up dying off. So down there we've been told that there's quite a bit of sediment on the bottom, maybe half an arm's worth of sediment. So what we've done this time is just the mussels, in order for them to thrive, they need something to latch onto. So that's the idea here, is that we've gotten a hold of some shell material that we've put down on the base. So there's 6 drop zones. And the hope is that we're going to do a couple of test drops to try and get the mussels on the shell. We've got a barge out there at the moment. They can't come on shore at the moment because they're actually from just out of Auckland, so they're from around the corner, around the Manaia area. So they're going to come in and we're going to work with them over the RTs on our boat. Kawo, it's our new boat whānau. It's been donated on behalf of some of our friends and some of our partners. So that's our waka, and Uncle Tumai is our skipper for the day, so you're going to take shuttles out to see, so whānau can see what's happening. So yeah, and the hope is that the mussels land on the seashell, they latch on, and that they stay there. And a few other things that we've been talking about so Ko Te Pukaki, as everyone knows, it's come up to its 20th year this year, so all the mahi that we've been doing on the land, and in the last about 10 to 15 years, we've been certain whānau have been dipping in and out of the water space. So this is us supporting their kaupapa that was already established. And we're looking at creating what we do on the land inside the water as well. So if these mussels seed onto the structures, then we'll look at also surrounding them with other kelp, seaweed and stuff to really create ecosystems, to bring back kai, bring back ika, and to restore or help improve the mauri of our bay. So we're just about to shove off. I think that's the right terminology. But yeah, I think Dave's going to be out there, and we're going to do a bit of a live so you can get a good look at what's happening. Obviously, we wanted everyone to be here, but under the COVID restrictions, we were limited to numbers. But hopefully, this is only the first of 3 drops this time. Our second drop is next week, next Thursday, and then the final drop I think is scheduled in for the 30th. Hopefully by then we should have some clarity on COVID restrictions, so we can do the kind of launch and celebration that we had intentionally planned. But kei konei, ētahi o te whānau, e whakakanohi i a tātou, i a mātou o rākei. Ai, Pauri ora e te whānau. Kia ora.
Kia ora.
Alrighty. So, oh no. Maybe I'll just ask you first. Yeah. What's your name and what iwi are you from?
You can take a mask off, I know you're,
Kotania and yeah, would you be able to like just explain? Maybe actually, look at me maybe. Explain maybe your memories. Have you been like of the Hauraki Gulf or of this area specifically when you were younger, maybe?
no, my memories only date back to 2006.
Oh yeah. How come you came on board to? How come you're on this boat right now?
I got invited.
Yeah. Nice. And
love the bay.
yeah. Has it changed since 2006? It's still a while ago.
Yeah, drastically, because there's no boats moored in the bay anymore. And you see more community activity on the water, which is awesome. And more sea life.
That's cool. Sweet. And then, yeah, what do you think about the future? What are your hopes for the future?
That the bay will be even cleaner and there'll be even more activity. And less industrial activity. More recreational activity.
Yeah, beautiful. And would I be able to just get from the camera that your name again and that you're okay for us to use your image?
Feedback happens, be tomorrow here.
Yeah, have you been interviewed before? No.
Can you please get her?
Hi, Simon.
Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, why not? We're here. Yeah, keep the glass on, that's all good.
It's a radio check on channel 7791. Please,
Yeah, so your name and your email as well.
that's a good check.
Te rā, ko mōna te mara ki pohi tōku ingoa, no Ngāti Whātua ki Ōrākei me Waiopa. Ko Ōrākei tōku tūranga waiwai, born and bred here in Ōrākei, and have loved it all my life.
Beautiful. What was it like in your childhood, Ōrākei?
In my childhood, I remember collecting pippies off the beach, walking home from school and collecting pippies and cooking pippies on the beach. But maybe 10, 15 years later, there were no pippies to collect. So I have seen that rapid decline, or that decline over time. And therefore, that passion to do something to regenerate.
Yeah, do you hope like that there'll be Kaimoana in the future, like with this?
Absolutely. I mean, our kaumātua, one of their health indicators is being able to, what do they say, seeing bums in the air and hands in the sand collecting kaimoana. That would be a beautiful health indicator in half of the bay. And I would love to think that within my time we will see that, but that's very, very optimistic. But hopeful that my son will definitely get to see that in his lifetime.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, that's everything I need from you. Thank you.
Well, whānau, we're just going to have a karakia. Maiden voyage. Just so you know, this is Ngāti Whātua Ōrākei Trust. Have purchased this mission boat to do exactly this money. Kina barons, tangihanga dives, marine biology education. So koina te kaupapa, tēnei rā. She has a name, we will come soon, but for today, Kawo. Kawo. Kia ora.
Can you hear me?
Sorry. Piri papa te hoi toi tū te hoi toi rere te hoi toi mahuta te hoi ki runga I te range. Apa ea ke au I te kakao taku hoi ki te kaua I te wai hiki pā tātou hoi rongo pā tātou hoi mama pā tātou hoi kia kaha ko te wai o taku hoi e hoi hoi hui. Kia ora. Kia ora tātou.
All aboard, untied the stern and then the bow.
I think
Looking at the back, sorry. Looking at the back. Here, Uncle, get on. This way's not check its back.
okay.
Hiki hiki tia hawhaia
they're not too stressed.
For people.
The muscles.
Oh, right.
So when they're closed and they're stressed and they get chucked in the water, they get build a air pocket in there, and it takes them ages to open, and if they don't open, then they'll die.
How many people do they have on there? You got to navigate the
Cool. Are they all in those sets? Do they drop it through that little kānapanapa thing? you.